Morning, children. This is for Home Science class 12, and the chapter that we have taken today is Human Resource Management. Human resource management is related to managing the human beings, the human resource, human being as a resource. What are human resource? Human resources are the qualities, the skill, the ability, the knowledge, the experience of an individual for performing any task. I hope you remember the resources, human resources, non-human resources. Resources are all the things, the means that are used to achieve our goal. If you want to do anything, if you want to achieve anything, accomplish anything, we have to have something that will be used, and those things are called the resources. So human resources are the qualities, the abilities of human beings for a particular type of task. And this chapter is related to managing the personnel. Personnel is the human being or the workers, employees working in any organization, any workplace, big or small or of any nature. And that is an important field of study that emerges out of resource management, which has an impact on efficiency of individuals and organization. So this management is very important because of this department only the output, that is the result, can be improved, and that is possible when right type of employees are hired and they are recruited or they are working over there. And this is done by a special department that is called HRD, Human Resource Department. Human Resource Department only manages the human resources or the human beings who are working there, what are their qualities, qualifications, abilities, and how they can be utilized in a better way for better result for the organization. And earlier this was managed by personnel department. Personnel department, now it is replaced by HRD, Human Resource Department. We have HRD ministry also, Human Resource Development and Department. And similarly, all organizations have a particular department that looks after, that sees, manages the employees, their work, their efficiency. Okay, so that is Human Resource Department replaced it. Replaced it what? Replaced the personnel department. Well, the name is different, but the work is similar, and played a major role. What are the major roles? That is in selection, staffing, training, and helping the workforce. Workforce is the employees, the workers, to improve capabilities and achieve better performance. Okay, and for this only nowadays, that is also known as commonly globally talent management. Talent management means how to get talented people in their organization so that their organization works efficiently and proves to be the best. And this is done by the HRD, Human Resource Department. Alright, and it is being used globally to refer to the activities of HR professionals. Those who are working in this department, they are not common people, they are professionals, they are talented, they are the people who know who can do what. Okay, and they are to attract, develop, and retain employees. It is not only important to attract and give them work, but how to retain them. Okay, so that they don't leave that organization and join somewhere else. If they are talented, so what to do to use their talent for their own organization. This is also the work and responsibility of the Human Resource Department. Now, what are the objectives of HRM? So, HRM, Human Resource Management. All these things have to be managed by the Human Resource Department. So, HRD and HRM are complementary to each other. So, main thing is to enhance the overall efficiency and capacity and productivity of the organization by improving the efficiency and productivity of the person at individual level, by treating each employee as a valuable and vital resource. Yes, every person working on any level, any post in an organization is very important in his or her own way. Okay, so that is to be seen by the HRD to see that each individual working in an organization is managed or is satisfied or is doing his work in the best possible way. Sorry, and in return his due share is given, and that is done by following these steps. Okay, the following steps are taken to ensure this. What to ensure? The objectives. Okay, improving employee work-life balance. Work-life balance means the employees should not be overburdened all the time. There should be balance between their rest periods and working hours also. For that, in between, they should be given, and they are given, rest time also, break also, for tea also, for lunch also, and holidays are also given, paid holidays are also given, and leaves are also sanctions like this. So that they perform their other social responsibilities also and personal responsibilities also. Then ensuring employee satisfaction. This is also the work and responsibility of the HRD to make sure that the employees, the workers, the workforce that is satisfied. They don't have any complaint against the management or their employers. Then personal development. Now, personal development, each individual, as it was told earlier, is equally important, and his or her needs, genuine needs, must not be overlooked. They should be paid attention to that. And compliance to regulation. Compliance to regulation means, each and every organization, workplace has got or has some rules and regulations, terms and conditions, policies that have to be followed by the employees. Okay, and this is to be made known to the employees by this department only. So that is called compliance to regulations. Now we take another topic, and that is significance of human resource management. Significance means what is its importance, you can say, or what is the speciality about this. Alright, that is like this. By now you all know that we are talking about the human resource, that is called workforce, and how to use it, that is called talent management. So that is vital and very important for any organizations, and all the organizations are manned by people regardless of their size or extent of its resources. Means any organization, big or small, okay, at local level, at national level, or at international level, if it is working, all they work with the help of the workforce, manpower. And the overall performance and profitability of any organization depends on the quality of its manpower. Quality here we mean they are talented, they are trained, or they are qualified, they are experienced, or they have the ability, they are skillful, right? So that depends upon the capabilities and performance of its human resource. So it can be defined, we can sum up like this topic as a strategic and coherent approach to the management of an organization's most valued assets. And what is most valued assets? It's human capital. Without human beings, without workers, nothing can be done. The resources will be utilized only by human being only. So that is the coherent approach to manage the human capital that is the people working in the organization who individually and collectively contribute to the achievement of the organizational goals effectively and efficiently. So that is about the human resource management, the objectives of human resource department. Thank you.